Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, your friends. In this time, I wanna present my research proposal entitled Enhancing EFL Speaking Proficiency through Authentic Self-Experience Storytelling. For the first background of the study revolves around the critical role of English as a foreign language in non-English speaking regions such as Indonesia, emphasizing the necessity of effective English language instruction, particularly in speaking proficiency. Despite in the acknowledged importance of speaking skills, traditional teaching methods often fall short in engaging learners authentically. This research aims to address the gap by exploring the impact of authentic self-experience storytelling as a pedagogical tool on the speaking proficiency of EL students and Unika Santa Paulus Ruteng. While existing studies have investigated the digital storytelling, this research uniquely focuses on the unexplored reality of personal narratives, aiming to contribute valuable insights into effective pedagogical process tailored to the specific context and needs of the students. And the second is problem of the study. The problem at hand lies in the under research area of incorporating authentic self-experience storytelling to enhance speaking proficiency, particularly among students at Nicholas Anthropoulos African. Despite the significance of speaking skills in facilitating effective communication and fostering cultural exchange, the potential of personal narratives as a teaching tools remains largely unexplored in this context. The third is theoretical framework. These are the theory of that I use in this research. Uh, 2.1 is the nature of speaking. 2.1.1 definition of speaking proficiency in EFL. Speaking is a complex process involving psychological and cognitive coordination. It serves as a fundamental means of expression encompassing language use, voice modulation, and nonverbal cues. The interplay of psychological system underscores the complexity of speech production, cultural and social factors influence speaking, reflecting non-transitory of universal grammar. And the second is 2.1.2 factors influencing speaking proficiency in ENL learners. Several factors impact EFL students' speaking ability. Uh, for, for the first is motivation, second, input and exposure, third is speaking opportunities, fourth is pronunciation and phonetics, fifth, vocabulary and grammar knowledge, and the sixth is anxiety and self-confidence. The review emphasized the motivation nature of speaking professionally, underscoring the importance of motivation as well practice, linguistic knowledge, and psychological well-being in FL learners' speaking skills. And the third is chapter 3, that is research method. Third point 1, research type. This study employs a quasi-experimental design with an experimental and control group. The independent variable in this study or research is authentic self-experience storytelling intervention, and its dependent variable is EFL speaking proficiency. In this research, I will take a pretest and posted design in each and it will be illustrated in table 3.1. And the second is population example. Population in this research is are all third grade students of English language students at Unica Sangapur Sultan for the academic year 2023 and to 2024. Totaling students is 148 students. Sample data is randomly selected 50 students from class 21A and 21D. And the third is method of data collection. The methods of data collection in this study are pre-test and then first is pre-test. After pre-test, I will uh, give some treatments in experimental group, and after give the treatment, the group experimental and group control will be do some post test, and the fourth is technique of data collection. Primarily, techniques are the pretest and post-test focusing on qualitative situation related to personal experience. A speaking proficiency test is utilized to assess the impact of the storytelling method. 3.5 Instrument of data collection. A test is used to measure participant proficiency in speaking English. Example, criteria included vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and fluency. And 3.6 Technique of data analysis. Statistical analysis such as test or ANOVA will be able to determine the significance of difference between experimental and control groups. Preliminary analysis include normality and homogeneity test. And the last one is references. There are references that I use in this research. Uh, uh, so that I will use. There are references that I use in this research. Uh, so that's all my presentation. Thank you so much.